Hi Center Pepin families, it's Mrs. Downer. I'm hanging out with Mrs. Scowron today, and we are going to do a science project together. Today we're going to make a bouncy egg, and for that you're going to need white vinegar, food coloring, a glass, a plate, and a white egg from your refrigerator. We're going to be using white vinegar. Do you know what the vinegar is going to be used for? Can you turn and talk to somebody next to you about what you think we're going to do with the vinegar? What are some of the properties of vinegar? Do you know what it's made up of? Vinegar is very acidic, and acidic means that it can break things down. So that should give you a clue as to what will happen today. So the first thing we have to do is I'm going to take my glass and I'm going to put some white vinegar in the glass. Just enough to cover the egg. After I do that, I'm going to take my food coloring. I picked blue because blue is one of my favorite colors, but you can pick any color food coloring that you have at home. I put the food coloring inside my glass and I'm going to swirl it around. I have a regular white egg from my refrigerator. Listen. It's just, I got it out of the fridge. It's not hard boiled. It's just a regular egg. I'm going to take my tongs and I'm going to hold on to the egg and I'm going to put it inside the vinegar. Now with this experiment, you have to wait a few days. You have to take this and put it somewhere and not play with it. Don't do anything with it. And just let it sit. What do you think is going to happen to the egg? Do you have any ideas? Well, we're going to pretend that it's been a few days. I did this a few days ago. I took the vinegar and the food coloring, put it inside this jar, and put the egg in there, just a regular white egg. So let's see what happened. Now remember, the egg we put in a minute ago was just a hard egg, a hard-shelled egg. So now I'm going to take out the egg that's been sitting in the vinegar and the food coloring for a couple of days, and we're going to see what has happened to it. Now you can't really see it, but look, it's squishy. The outside of the egg is completely gone. So now it feels like a bouncy ball. How cool is that? Look. So this is what you end up with after it sits in the vinegar and the food coloring for a couple of days. Well, thank you for joining me today. I miss you all.